Pass a beam of white light through a glass prism, and you get a familiar result, a smooth, uninterrupted rainbow fanning out across the wall. Every shade blends seamlessly into the next. For a long time, classical physics operated on a similar expectation. Energy was thought to exist on a smooth sliding scale, where any value, regardless of size, was possible. If an electron inside an atom followed this rule, it would absorb and hold any amount of energy it encountered. When that energy was released, the result would be a continuous, blurred smear of every color. This assumption aligns with how we observe the macroscopic world to function every day. If these classical rules governed the atom, every glowing element would produce the same perfectly smooth spectrum of light. But when we isolate a specific element and energize it, that expected rainbow never appears. Instead, the light is restricted to distinct, isolated lines of color, separated by regions of total darkness. This is an atomic spectrum. For a given element, these lines always appear at these exact, unchanging wavelengths. This raises a specific question. What prevents the atom from emitting the colors that should occupy those dark spaces? These specific lines of light are the physical signature of the internal architecture of the atom. To understand why the light is broken, we have to look at the specific laws governing this subatomic realm. In the classical model, energy works like a smooth ramp. An object can come to rest at any height along the incline. But an atom's interior functions like a rigid staircase. You can stand on one step or the next, but physics prohibits hovering in empty space. An electron is subject to this same constraint. It cannot possess random, fluctuating amounts of energy. It is restricted to these specific levels. This is the definition of quantized. These are predetermined, fixed energy levels that an electron is permitted to occupy. Because an electron is locked into this quantized environment, it cannot possess or release energy in a continuous stream. This staircase structure dictates the behavior of an atom when it is energized. When an electron absorbs energy, it teleports from a lower step to a higher, unstable one. It eventually falls back to its original, lower step. As it drops, it ejects that stored energy as a particle of light. Because the distance between these quantum steps is fixed, the energy released during that fall is a precise, measurable value. In physics, a specific amount of energy corresponds to a specific color of light. These isolated lines of color are the visible evidence of electrons falling between fixed quantum steps. This light provides a map of the atom's interior. This architecture varies between elements. Hydrogen, helium, and sodium each have a quantum staircase built with different spacing. Because the gaps between steps differ for every element, the light they emit creates a unique pattern of lines. This pattern acts as a fingerprint, a unique optical identifier for every element in the universe. Astronomers use these patterns to identify the chemical composition of stars. By analyzing the light from a galaxy billions of miles away, they can determine exactly which elements are burning within it. These small-scale quantum jumps allow us to identify the matter that makes up the rest of the galaxy. Like, share, and subscribe to Science Knowledge for simple and interesting science videos.